Hey, hey, hey out there, YouTube land. Welcome to this live edition here in the studio behind the scenes on a Sunday afternoon. We are going to be installing some software so that we can run vertical streaming on YouTube Live, Instagram Live, TikTok, Facebook, and the whole gamut, right? Twitch, the whole jazz. And you'll be doing it right straight from OBS. So it's a streaming software you're already familiar with. If you're not familiar with OBS, definitely look at some videos and get into OBS. That's all I can say. Moving forward, I'm going to go to a screen share. Actually, we're going to build this out too because I have OBS open. We're going to be building some scenes, all of that. I'm going to be screen sharing so that we can build scenes and see all of that. So as a matter of fact, the one I'm on right now, let me see what we've got. Okay, I don't have one. So I'm going to add let's see here. I'm going to add a scene. Well, you need to be able to screen share with me, so I'm going to do that too. Let's do that. Let's add this. Well, I don't want to do it there. I guess I do want to do it there. Okay. Display capture. We'll do it. That way we can talk over it for a minute, and I'll just have to go back and take it back off is what I'm going to have to do. So let's just take a look. See. Just a moment there. Okay, it says we do have primary monitor. Okay, so now you're able to see my screen share, and what I'm going to do is come down here and add a scene. Okay, and in this scene, this is going to be a scene where we're going to be able to screen share. And that's what I'm going to call it. Screen share. Okay. That's what this whole scene is going to be called. And we will go and add, while you're watching this, we are going to add a display capture. And the display capture we are going to add is display capture number 1, which is our screen. So now, anytime I want to screen share with you, we can do that. As of just at the moment, we're going to come back to the chatting camera. I am going to get rid of this because I don't want that that display capture in that scene. As of right now, I have 2 camera angles. I've got only one actually in use at the moment. That's this main camera. Second of all, let's see. We go to the screen share. I can screen share with you. Now we're going to create, if you'll look down here, we're going to create a watching tab. Now you guys just pay attention to this. Let's see the watching tab. And on this screen, so far we've got the display capture. Now on this, I'm going to do 2 things. I'm going to go ahead and add another display capture, and we will add display capture 2. Okay. And it will be the opposite monitor. There we go. I will reduce it in size so that we can keep it right about here. Yeah, right about here. Yeah, about here. And then I will go through, let's see, display capture 1. All right, we're going to get rid of that. And I'm going to add the video capture device. And I'm going to go ahead and use my camera number 1, which is the one we're using here. We'll shrink it down. You guys should be able to watch all of this on screen. Yeah, we'll put it right about here so that you guys can still see it. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do for this particular view is I'm going to hold down Alt and crop this image. I generally sit in about the same spot, so I can kind of crop that. We can come down a bit, make it a little smaller, move it into this area. Isn't that beautiful? Now we can watch the screen together. I'm going to take this down just a touch. Okay, we can watch the screen together. We can have a chat down here if we like, and we can also have some things at the top. So this gives us a lot of leeway with our watching channel. Okay, I've got a screen share, a watching, and a chatting. So you've got chatting. This is where I'm just here talking to you with nothing else on the screen. It's just me. We've got the watching where we can watch together. I've got a screen share where we can screen share. Now, in this screen share, I'm also going to put a camera device because sometimes you want to turn that on. So we're going to add camera number 1. I'm going to take it down tremendously. Real small, okay. And we'll just place it in the corner. Now, we can move this at any given time. So if I'm wanting to make a broadcast where I'm doing that, showing the whole screen, I can move this around anytime. As a matter of fact, and I am going to hold down Alt just to crop this so that we have a smaller image to mess with. There we are. So now I can move this image around the screen however I like, and you guys can watch what's going on with me. So as you do that, you're going to screen share. Okay, we're going to screen share, and I'm going to open the following page. Well, I say I'm going to open the following page. There it is. Oh, you know what? We're going to watch it on our other screen. That's what we're going to do. What's going on here? I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. Actually, I do know what's going on here. I'm on the wrong tab. We should be on the watching tab together. So if you'll visit me over on, it's called obsproject.com. If you just look up the software called Atom, AITUM vertical. And we're going to download this together so you see how it works. It says go to download. It's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do it together so you guys watch how it happens. Here we are. Give me just a moment to get that on for you. And excuse my little puppy dog over here. That's just part of it. It's how it works. Okay, we want other platforms. Okay, we don't want cookies. We're not messing with all of that. Okay, we've got the download going now. As soon as I clicked on it, it brought it up, and I think it's about finished now. We're about to start the installer. You guys are watching how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and do the screen share so that you can see it. And, oh, you know what? If you're going to do that, I need to... see, I'll need to do a whole different screen for that. We're on the just watching right now. That's what we're doing. This works perfectly for us anyway. Okay, so now we're going to go through the installation process. Let's check on that. Okay, it's almost done. It says it's done. There we are. Well, it says pause. It's not completely done. It's almost done. I guess it'll let us know when it is done. I think it is done. Not quite done. It's still there. It's getting there. Complete. Okay, well, opening when completed. Okay, so we've done that. We are opening when completed. You guys saw that. You saw how it worked. We're just going to sit here and wait for that to happen. So you guys just chillax, enjoy, do what I'm doing, and, just wait. Matter of fact, I'm going to pop over to the live, because I'm sure that we've got it here somewhere. Let's see if I can get that live chat for you guys. Pull it down in here with you while we're waiting on that download to finish. Matter of fact, that download has finished, but we're still going to do that. I'm going to see if I can. Oh, you know what? As a matter of fact, I can do it a totally different way. I can do it in my docs and just pop out the chat box. Now we have it. So if you guys are out there and you're watching live, be sure to chat with us. Be sure to chat with us. Okay, so this is complete. It is opening. It will be momentarily. I believe it will be. Our chat said it was overloading our system, so we should probably stop that. One thing I did find the other day is I cannot... Okay, we're still working on our download process. That means Atom's probably working, doing its thing too. That's exactly what I'm guessing. Let's look at it. I don't see anything in the back end, so I could be wrong. All right, we open it back up. We'll just sit here and talk about it for just a moment. So the whole thing about, there it comes. All right, so now, yes, we wanted to make changes to our system. See, it just popped up and asked me, do you want it to make changes to your system? I said, yes. Yes, we do. And it's going to pop up all the little system messages. You're going to click next. You know what? I'm going to screen share with you so that you can see it. And we'll be at next, install. This is how easy it is, guys. It's not hard. Finish. Balam, balam. Now, the thing is, if you guys will look right over here, it says you're all set. We have to reopen OBS, and you should see the plugin working correctly. So what we're going to do now is we're going to end this stream. It was a short stream, but it was a stream, just to show you exactly how to go about doing this. Now, we've done that. You've now seen how to set up a scene. You've seen how to install the vertical ATEM plugin. And next, we're going to come back to you and do it again. Not do it again, but do it to you with live in vertical. So stay tuned, you guys, and we can't wait to get to you here just early.